If you're sick of being broke, stressed, and stuck in a loop that feels impossible to escape, this might be the most important video you ever watch. At 18, I had zero money, zero qualifications, and more doubt than confidence. But I had one thing: hunger. Instead of fantasizing about millions, I made a smaller promise to myself: make just $10,000. Why $10,000? Because it's not just a number, it's a turning point. It was the first time I proved to myself that making money is a skill, not luck. That first 10K was hard, but once I cracked the code, everything changed. Let me show you the 4-step strategy on how to make 10K as a student. From zero. Most people chase hype crypto, day trading, meme coins because a friend doing the same and making millions from it. But those methods? The problem is these methods need huge upfront cash reserves, demand big cash upfront, and a ton of luck. You don't need hype. You need cash flow, a way to make money every day with little upfront cost. Let me simplify it. There are only 4 real paths to your first $10,000. I've tried them all. Here's what works and what doesn't. Option 1. Selling in-person services. It might sound basic, but services like personal training, delivery driving, dog walking, even washing cars print cash fast. I used to knock on doors in rich neighborhoods offering to clean cars. Dirty car, tidy garden? That meant they cared and would probably pay. Don't waste time making logos or websites. Just get out, offer value, and get paid today. But here's the downside. You can only work with one person at a time, and income caps out quickly. That's why I moved on. Option 2. Selling local products. Cookies, crafts, artwork, even garden produce. You can sell them for cash. Fun? Yes. Scalable? Not really. Which led me to the next breakthrough. This is where the game changes. Dropshipping, print on demand, even selling your own designs. Option 3. Selling global products. I started a dropshipping business on eBay, selling my own print-on-demand business, and also started selling on Etsy platform. It was a hustle. Profits kept getting reinvested. But once it clicked, passive income began. This route is powerful, but slow. It might take 1 to 3 months to gain momentum. If you're patient, it can become your laziest, most scalable income stream. Option 4. Selling online services. The Holy Grail. Services like video editing, copywriting, ad management, or thumbnail design. Global reach. Service-level profit margins. Low startup cost. Fast results. If I had to start from zero tomorrow, this is what I'd do, without hesitation. Finding the right service, ask yourself, what are you naturally good at? What do you love learning? What problems do businesses throw money at? Where these overlaps? That's your gold mine. Don't wait years to be perfect. Start now. Charge less, deliver more, and learn as you earn. To hit $10,000, you need more than talent. You need 4 elements. 1. Positioning. Help businesses make money. They'll pay far more. Edit for entrepreneurs, not hobbyists. Optimize landing pages, not blog posts. 2. Leverage. Don't sell time, sell results. ROI beats hourly rates every time. 3. Reach. Stop chasing clients. Make them come to you. Post your work. Show your wins. Build demand before you build a portfolio. 4. Automation, reliability, talent. Be the person clients trust. Use a CRM like Odoo to track clients, follow-ups, and deadlines. Be professional, even when you're just starting out. Once you've made your first $10,000, the real journey begins, turning income into freedom. Don't blow it on supercars and designer junk. The secret to the wealth ladder are: 1. High-interest savings, not sexy, but it's your safety net. Avoid selling investments at the worst times. 2. Index funds, set it and forget it million-dollar machines. $5 per day can turn into 7 figures. 3. Individual stocks, higher risk, but great for learning and higher upside. 4. Crypto, high risk, high reward. Start slow. Stay smart. Learn constantly. So, what's your first move? Whether you're 18 or 38, your first $10,000 will change everything. It changed my life. and it could change yours too. Hit subscribe if you're ready to take action. Want a free, step-by-step plug-and-play system to attract, nurture, and convert leads on autopilot? Then, grab your silent sales cheat sheet now. Link in the description. Watch the video linked here if you're serious about learning how to grow that $10,000 into real wealth.